Hello, my fellow baking friends. Today we're working on separating eggs. We're going to learn how to do that in 3 simple methods. The first one is the good old-fashioned hand method. What you need is 2 bowls and your eggs. So once you have your egg in the first bowl, what you're going to do is you're going to scoop it out with your hand. I kind of use a claw method, sort of like the machines where you're trying to get the toy. You gently scoop it from the bowl, and you're going to have some egg white that's clinging to the yolk, which is why you have to very gently switch it back and forth between your 2 hands. And then you just drop your egg yolk in the second bowl. The second method we're using is using an egg separator. This is nice because it has a little notch on it, so it holds on to the side of the bowl and has a nice little target for you to aim your egg at when you're cracking it. The trick here is to actually get all of the egg in the separator. Once you have your egg cracked, you just lift it from the bowl and you swish it back and forth until the egg white eventually does separate from the egg yolk, and then you just drop your egg yolk in the second bowl. It can be frustrating because, as you can see, it takes a little while for that egg white to come out, especially if it's a thicker egg white from a fresher egg. This method took about 45 seconds from start to finish, which is about 3 times longer than method 1. But it is a good backup if you're very uncomfortable with doing the first method. The third method is the bottle method. It is one that I saw on the internet, and honestly, until this video, I'd never tried it before, but I thought, what the heck. You take the water bottle and squeeze it, and then put the opening of the water bottle next to the egg yolk and release it and open up the bottle so that it sucks the egg yolk into the bottle. Honestly, I was expecting the egg yolk to break and it to be a huge mess, but it actually worked. And then you just squeeze the bottle and plop that egg yolk into the second bowl. The winner is method 1, the hand method. Why? It doesn't require anything extra, no separator, no water bottle, and it's really fast. It was actually the fastest of all 3 methods. It takes a little practice, but it's well worth it. The one thing I have to warn you about is if you're wearing any sharp jewelry, that can actually poke the egg yolk while you're doing the separating. So you'll want to take that ring off, and you probably would want to do that anyway. So I hope this has helped you today and that you have now got your skills down to separate eggs. I hope you have a wonderful day and look forward to seeing you at future videos.